We are looking for new sales and leasing consultants to add to our team to help our customers buy and service their vehicles. Hi, my name is Derek Jenke. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Weld County Garage. What we're looking for is somebody that's fun, energetic, and easy to talk to. I know there is a stigma around sales and leasing consultants with integrity and trustworthiness. That is a direct opposition to who we are as Weld County Garage. Here at Weld County Garage, we don't mark up the price and make your customer have to negotiate and haggle down to the correct one. We start with one fair upfront price on all our vehicles. Best part is, you don't have to negotiate, you don't have to haggle, you don't have to be the bad guy. It's fast, fair, and friendly and upfront. Here, we're trying to make the car buying experience easy and convenient for both you and your customer. Should you be coming in with no experience, we have a 4-week onboarding program designed to help you do business the way that we do at Weld County Garage. Come on by anytime. I'd be happy to sit, chat with you, and see if we're a good fit for you.